Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be discuss about how do I get money from my Shopify account. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. When you set up a payment provider to accept credit card payments, each payment must be processed, so there is usually a delay between when the customers pays for their order and when you receive the payment. After the payment is processed, the purchase amount will transfer into your merchant account. Other payment providers such as PayPal will have their own ways of getting funds from your customers to you. Check with the service you are using to find out how they will pay you. You can accept manual payments outside of your online checkout, such as money orders or bank transfers. Unless you activate Shopify Payments as a payment provider, you will be charged transaction fees for all orders that are brokered financially by Shopify. This includes all orders that go through Shopify's checkout system. If you think to see more Shopify videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.